Hi everyone, I'm LeilaB, and here are the steps to writing a screenplay. So, you may be wondering, what is a screenplay? As an example, here is La La Land, a famous movie directed by Damien Chazelle. Now, here is the screenplay for La La Land. In this screenplay, it includes the dialogue of the characters, actions, and much more. A screenplay is created before the actual film begins shooting and being produced. So, I'm going to teach you how you can write your own screenplay. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is brainstorm. Find a topic that interests you and plot and outline that story. Also, create in-depth and authentic characters that really add to your narrative. After that, you are ready to start writing. You first need to make sure that you format the document correctly. The top, right, and bottom margins of the document must be 1 inch, while the left margin must be 1.5 inches. The font also needs to be 12-point Courier New. As my final product for explorations, I ended up writing my own personal screenplay. While I'm explaining the steps, I will use the one I wrote as an example. Here's my title page. It must include the title, obviously, and who is written by below it. Then, on the left bottom corner, you should include your name again, the company you work for and the address for it, and your contact information such as your email and phone number. Now, the first thing you should include in your script is the words fade in. This marks the start of the screenplay. Next, you should put what is called the scene heading. Scene headings are a one-line description of the location and time of day. For my location, I said EXT Angela's house / day. EXT means that you will see the outside of Angela's house, while INT means the inside. So EXT means exterior and INT means interior. Then, below that, you'll put the action. This is a description of the actions in the scene. After that, you'll put a transition, which is used as a transitional instruction for editing. I put dissolve to, but you can also put phrases such as cut to, shift to, and so on. As you can see on the screen below, I added another scene heading in action. After all of that, you will enter your character introduction. The character's name must always be in caps. Here, you would describe what the character was like, how old they are, etc. And then you'll write the dialogue. For the dialogue, you will put the character's name in all caps again on its own line and start writing the dialogue below it. From there, you keep repeating and adding transitions, new scene headings, actions, and more. Here's my final product. I won't read the whole thing, but if you would like to pause on it and read it, you can. I wrote a short screenplay, and the premise of it is basically about a traditional mother that doesn't agree with her child's choice for a career. And here is my infographic. It includes everything we just went over, which is basically create characters and plot your story, format your document correctly, introduce characters and write dialogue, include transitions, location changes, and actions. Thank you for watching. Now, go write your own screenplay.